Okay.
right? So you still have that $10 position on the LP, but now you only owe $7.73. So from the fees that you made on that pool, now you're repaying your debt. And then the borrow money that you took, that difference is your profit.
Good.
If you keep doing this, at some point you can pay your debt, because you could even go and use the flare that you earn on those fees to repay, like convert it into USDC, repay, and then you would only owe $5 or whatever.
Hmm.
And then the LP that you enter with borrow money, because it's already paid for, that is your capital. Like, you don't owe that anymore. Does that make sense?
It does, yeah.
So now you see how your health factor went from
It
296 to
up to
380.
three.
Yeah. So that's the idea. You can use liquidity pools to either give you cash that you can spend in real life, or you can use that to buy more crypto, depending on where we are in the cycle. If you believe that the market is going to keep going up, then you would convert your fees into more crypto, that then you supply it to your collateral. So now you have more crypto waiting for price appreciation. And if you think that we're closer to the top of the market, then you sell your fees and you use those fees to pay back your debt. Once you pay back your debt, any difference is your profit.
That's slick, man.
Yeah. Now,
That's real slick. That's a nice little loop there. It pays for itself essentially.
for sure. I mean, that's what I was saying. I bought my laptop a couple months ago. Instead of selling my Flare, I took a loan against it. And now at some point, I will start paying back that debt. And then if the price of Flare is, instead of 2 cents, 5 cents, like, let's not go crazy, at that point I need to sell half of my Flare to buy my laptop, as if I had sold it at the time that I needed to buy my laptop.
Yeah, this would be a good strategy for my daughter. She's been looking to, I would like her to learn. I was teaching her DeFi last year before she left to Australia. And now that she's in Australia, she's having a difficult time. She wants to stay longer, but her visa's up. So she's going through this entire process to fight to stay longer. And now she could be in a position where she's not able to work. Could be. But my thing is, I would like her to learn how to make money, not just go to work to earn money, but like do something along these lines in DeFi to make money. I was teaching her about the Orchestra finance. I'm not really fond of that platform on the XRPL. She was in XMAG as well. Not really fond of that platform as well. I don't trust it. But she was in Aerodrome as well, and the goal was just to teach her that they're all similar and how to strategize and earn an income essentially.